Hello friends, how nice it will be if we can store yogurt starter. No need to rush to store our neighbors. Will be very useful when we forget to save yogurt for fermenting or when yogurt gets sour. Let's get started. Take little yogurt in airtight container. I took around 2 tablespoons. Cover with a lid and freeze. This is going to stay fresh for 6 months. Thawing is important as we don't want to destroy yogurt cultures. Rather than defrosting or heating in microwave with such a little quantity, it's really better to thaw it outside 4 to 5 hours naturally or keep it outside overnight. Or you can also thaw it in a bowl of warm water for an hour at least. Thus yogurt cultures will be preserved for fermenting fine. As you see, yogurt starter is ready for use. Freeze fresh yogurt in 6 months or after every use. Hope you like my tips. See you again. Thanks for watching.